An Abuja High Court has criticized the prosecutor in charge of the case of Justice Ademola of the Federal High Court and two others for the manner in which the case is being handled. Justice Jude Okeke has warned that if the prosecution fails to produce its witnesses at the next adjourned date, the court would be forced to do the needful. Justice Okeke had earlier ordered the Inspector General of Police to provide protection for parties in the suit following allegations of harassment by the prosecutor.
Of one witness, the prosecution was asking for an adjournment, which we thought was not fair at all, at least in line with the dispensation of the federal government. The judge in his considered ruling was very clear and said we should give them one more chance. It's been adjourned till tomorrow, and if they are not ready, then the needful will be done. I believe that the machinery of justice will grind. It will grind slowly, but it will grind surely.
There's a difference between presenting evidence to the public and presenting evidence in court. Since we've started presenting evidence in court, prosecution has been stalling with one story or the other. So today they decided to come up with yet another story. And it was so easy to see through all that. It's not right. This is a very rare situation where the defense is even more eager than the prosecution to have the case determined in court. So it's just a story, a baseless story, and they know it.
Last night, my client called me at about 2 a.m. He was calling from the station, and he had been taken there by the police because he was attacked at his residence. And he's on account of that, he ought to have testified this morning, but he's not ready to testify on account of his state of mind. So it's not, we are working, we'll do whatever we can do to prepare him against tomorrow so that he's able to give his testimony in court tomorrow.